Have you ever wondered how a simple kitchen staple can lead to remarkable health benefits? Baking soda, primarily composed of sodium bicarbonate, has garnered attention for its versatile applications beyond baking. In this video, we delve into the top 6 benefits of baking soda for the body, backed by research studies, while revealing how to incorporate it into your daily routine effectively. First and foremost, baking soda acts as a powerful alkalizing agent. When ingested, it can help neutralize the acidity in the stomach, thereby alleviating indigestion and heartburn. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology, baking soda may ease the symptoms of acid reflux by restoring pH balance. When foods are too acidic, they can dull flavors, create unwanted tang, or even stifle the natural rise of baked goods. Enter baking soda, tipping the scale with its alkalizing prowess. Just a teaspoon of this versatile powder can help neutralize acidity, enhancing and elevating flavors in your favorite recipes. Think of it as giving your taste buds a refreshing boost, allowing the real flavors to shine through brilliantly. Imagine a natural remedy that not only offers relief but also promotes overall digestive health. Furthermore, baking soda can play a significant role in detoxification. It is known to support kidney function by helping to remove toxins through urination. In the realm of culinary arts, baking soda stands not merely as a leavening agent, but as a multifaceted compound boasting diverse benefits, one of which is its remarkable role in detoxification. Picture a pristine kitchen, where the gentle hum of a mixing bowl harmonizes with the aroma of freshly baked goods. In this serene environment, baking soda emerges as a silent guardian, ready to purify the body in ways that extend beyond the baked threshold. When ingested, this humble white powder orchestrates a symphony of cleansing effects. Acting as an alkaline compound, it aids in neutralizing excess acidity in the stomach, creating a balanced internal environment conducive to overall well-being. Furthermore, its ability to bind to toxins allows the body to expel harmful substances more effectively, acting as a detoxifying agent that is gentle yet powerful. Transitioning to oral health, baking soda is a well-known component in many toothpaste brands due to its mild abrasive properties. Research in the Journal of the American Dental Association expresses its ability to reduce plaque buildup and gum inflammation. When it comes to oral health, this white powder acts as a steadfast ally, offering myriad benefits that can enhance one's dental hygiene regimen. At its core, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, functions as a gentle abrasive. This property facilitates the effective removal of plaque while gently polishing the enamel, thereby safeguarding against cavities and promoting a brighter smile. Moreover, its alkaline nature plays a pivotal role in neutralizing the acids produced by bacteria in the mouth, thus helping to maintain a balanced pH and minimizing the risk of tooth decay. In addition to these mechanical and chemical benefits, baking soda also displays antibacterial qualities, which can aid in curbing the growth of harmful microorganisms that contribute to gum disease. By integrating baking soda into one's oral hygiene routine, whether through toothpaste formulations or as a rinsing agent, individuals can harness its potential to cultivate a healthier oral environment. Embracing baking soda as a regular component of dental care not only fosters oral health, but also reinforces the importance of accessible, natural remedies in our pursuit of well-being. Its understated efficacy serves as a reminder that sometimes the simplest ingredients hold the most powerful benefits. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory properties make baking soda a beneficial ally for fitness enthusiasts. A study published in Sports Medicine demonstrates that sodium bicarbonate can reduce muscle soreness and fatigue after high-intensity workouts. When utilized judiciously, baking soda acts as an alkalizing agent, fostering an internal environment less conducive to inflammation. For those plagued by conditions such as arthritis or chronic pain, a solution may lie in the gentle embrace of this crystalline powder. When dissolved in water and consumed, it can serve as an adjunct to traditional remedies, helping to soothe the body's inflamed tissues and promote overall well-being. Additionally, baking soda can improve skin health. It has been shown to alleviate conditions like acne and eczema due to its antibacterial properties. A blend of baking soda with water can serve as an exfoliating scrub, effectively removing dead skin cells while helping to maintain a balanced pH level. When used as a gentle exfoliant, it adeptly removes dead skin cells, unveiling a fresher, more radiant complexion beneath. The mild abrasiveness allows for effective cleansing without the harshness often associated with traditional scrubs. Furthermore, baking soda possesses anti-inflammatory qualities that can soothe irritated skin and reduce the appearance of redness, making it an ideal treatment for minor blemishes or irritations. In addition to its exfoliating prowess, baking soda can also assist in alleviating conditions such as acne and body odor. When combined with water, baking soda forms a soft paste, transforming into a natural scrub. Ideal for dislodging dead skin cells that often mar one's complexion. Its fine granules work meticulously to soothe and smooth, providing a gentle yet effective means of cleansing the skin without irritation. This chemical magic stems from its alkaline properties, which help balance the skin's pH, leading to a rejuvenated and radiant appearance. Moreover, in its role as an exfoliant, baking soda encourages the circulation of blood, infusing the skin with vitality. This invigorating process not only clears away impurities, but also prepares the skin for subsequent treatments, enhancing the absorption of moisturizers and serums that follow. Ultimately, baking soda stands testament to the notion that sometimes the simplest ingredients yield the most profound transformations in our quest for beauty. By neutralizing excess oils and treating inflamed pores, it provides a natural remedy for achieving balanced and clear skin. Lastly, for those interested in weight management, baking soda may aid in appetite control and fat absorption. Some studies suggest that the alkalizing effects can stabilize blood sugar levels, promoting better metabolic health. Incorporating baking soda into one's diet may enhance digestion and facilitate the breakdown of food, which can be instrumental in managing weight. As it helps neutralize excess stomach acid, it can alleviate discomfort associated with indigestion, ultimately supporting a more regular eating pattern. Furthermore, its ability to improve hydration through enhanced electrolyte balance can lead to increased stamina during physical activity, thus empowering individuals on their weight management journey. When considering baking soda as a weight management aid, it is essential to recognize that it should complement a well-rounded diet and regular exercise. The elegance of this simple yet effective ingredient lies in its potential to support a healthier lifestyle, harmonizing one's quest for balance with nature's offerings. In summary, baking soda is not just a baking ingredient. It is a multifaceted compound with significant health benefits. From its alkalizing effects to its role in detoxification, oral care, fitness enhancement, skin health, and weight management, baking soda proves to be an invaluable addition to your lifestyle. Have you considered incorporating this powerful compound into your daily routine? Discover the myriad ways baking soda can enhance your well-being and transform your health journey today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, continue to